Mark, let it rip.
Not yet.
Wait, I'm using the wrong ripcord.
But I don't have my launcher.
Wait.
Or your launcher. Or baka kay Ezra yan. Ikaw patingin na sa'yo? Ano to? Wait lang.
And
Patingin na sa'yo? Nakabind
ko
yung
lang,
sa
ah.
akin, no?
Akin
Ito.
yan!
Hindi, tingnan ko lang.
Ito nga.
Wait. Let me just check.
It's video, guys, so by the way.
It's mine. Wait lang. Pares lang. Bike ng guard. Ha? Try mo bike ng guard.
Where's...
Bawal yung bike na yun. Madulas onti.
Oh, this is mine?
So, ito kay Ezra to. Oh, ito mo na gamitin mo.
Yun! Ito nga sa akin!
3,
2, 1, let it rip.
Oopsie.
Bam!
Di ba atin yan?
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Leo's back! Back in action! Oh!
Mahina! Sino nag-ano?
Grabe, defense Abgel. Grabe, defense type. The
3, 2,
defense...
1, let it.
Defense type, never! I have stamina!
Kaya mahina. I almost won. I'm the second guy. And ang hina ng launcher. Josh, meron ka ng launcher?
By the way,
I'm out of launchers.
this is recorded.
Okay.
I'm gonna so this is our what name mo? Bolt or something like that.
Samurai.
Yes, and Orion
This is
with the
Josh
gimmick.
with the gimmick.
Orion. This is Ezekiel with the
El Drago.
El Drago, and this is Achel with
Leon.
the Leon. He just
Yeah.
add a different one because
Alright.
of
I think it is a rock Leon. 3, 2, 1. No, it's not. It's Feng Leon. Pero parang pag isang mode siya, parang rock. Diba?
Oh.
3, 2, wait na.
3. I'm not a photographer.
Oh,
did you see that outside for me? Oh. The Phantom versus the Phantom versus Samurai.
I'm
Who
losing
wins?
stamina. May
No,
screw
George.
pa, Kuya Josh. A lot of stamina.
That's right. Yes. Oh.
Bakit?
Oh, and the
Bakit?
Orion is.
Wait na. Kasi kasabay namin. Si Daisy? Uwi na kayo? Oo.
Ngayon?
Bye. Sige, sabihin mo bukas na lang. Meron na lang.
Alright, bye-bye guys.